We're looking at the new DBN900 Makita's 18-volt framing nailer. Let's dive into the features. This nailer is part of Makita's LXT platform and of course features a brushless motor for increased performance and efficiency. Starting at the back, you've got your trigger and a power button with a mode selector just above it. It's got two modes, full sequential actuation for single nailing and contact actuation for continuous nailing, making this machine super versatile. At the front, there's a toolless depth adjustment dial and an anti-slip nose piece to ensure that the tool grips even when nailing at an angle. You've also got an LED job light for those low visibility jobs, and it comes with both a belt hook and a rafter hook, which is great for safe storage while working at height. Let's look at some quick specs. This machine can accept nails of between 50 and up to 90 millimeters, of a gauge of 2.9 to 3.3 millimeters. The collation angle is 30 to 34 degrees, and the magazine can take up to 58 clipped head nails. At the side of the machine, there's a handy window to check how many nails you've got left, and it includes an anti-dry fire mechanism to avoid false fixings or firing blanks when the nails are running low. There we are, that is the new DBN900, a reliable, feature-packed 18-volt framing nailer from Makita, perfect for tough framing jobs. We've got the BS001G, Makita's all-new 40-volt max belt sander. Let's check it out. This sander is part of the XGT platform and runs on a powerful brushless motor, so you can expect top-tier performance. It has a variable speed control dial with 5 speed settings. The belt itself measures 76 by 533 millimeters. Also, the belt's weight balance is absolutely spot on thanks to the battery's placement just above the belt. This ensures even sanding pressure throughout the task. AWS comes as standard along with a dust bag featuring an anti-drop mechanism, which is ideal when the tool is used vertically. It's got twin LED job lights with an adjustable 45-degree angle, making this tool easy to use in any conditions. And it is perfect for flush sanding. You can flush right against the walls thanks to an adjustable handle that moves 30 degrees backwards and 60 degrees forwards. One standout feature for me is it can be used as a stationary belt sander with optional clamps and guardrails, perfect for workshop setups. There we are, the BS001G, Makita's powerful 40-volt max belt sander, a tool that's built to handle the toughest sanding jobs with ease. We're looking at the new DW1180Z 18-volt pressure washer from Makita. This pressure washer is part of Makita's LXT platform and it is packed with features. It has a 5-in-1 nozzle which allows for easy mode changes by simply rotating the nozzle head. You've also got 3 water supply methods, so you've got the option of adapting to your usage environment. These include attaching to a water faucet, self-priming through a water source such as a bucket or container, or even hooking up to our plastic water bottle accessory. You've got 2 operation modes on this pressure washer, high and low. You've also got a warning lamp to quickly glance at your battery capacity if the temperature is too high or if your machine becomes overloaded. So there we are, that is the DW1180Z, our new 18-volt pressure washer from Makita. Perfect for those tough cleaning jobs. We're looking at the new PS001G 40-volt max XGT scrubber polisher from Makita. Let's dive into the features. The overall length can be adjusted via the telescopic pipe thanks to the lever adjustment mechanism, allowing you to fix the machine at your desired position. The brush installation and removal is really easy. It's super simple, and with some light pressure and using the designated switches, you're good to go. If you need to clean things like wall edges or tiled floor joints, the splash guard is also removable to get you as close as you need to the area you're working on. The scrubber polisher features 3 speed settings: low, medium and high. An extension range of 354mm, and it's also got constant speed control, anti-restart, and it's IPX4 rated. So there we are, the PS001G 40V max XGT scrubber polisher from Makita. We're looking at the new PP001G 40V max XGT steel hole punch from Makita. Let's look at the features. This machine doesn't require a hydraulic pressure hose, making it fully portable. One of the best features of this machine is the automatic punch return, meaning that once a punching cycle is completed, hydraulic pressure automatically pulls the punch from the workpiece and resets to its original position. The efficiency of this machine means that your working time is going to be reduced by about 46% compared to the 18V model equivalent. So you're going to get a maximum throat depth on this machine of 40mm. And 360 degrees rotatable motor section, so you can get set up in the perfect position. So that was the PP001G 40V max XGT steel hole punch. We're looking at the new DTD173 LXT 18V impact driver from Makita. Now this machine is absolutely packed with new cool features, so let's take a look. To start things off, this machine features a one-touch bit installation, so you can interchange your accessories far easier. The control panel has been moved to a more convenient location. It's now on the side facing the user, so you can make any changes whilst you're operating the tool. There's a quick mode switch button just above the trigger, which is going to let you change the impact force whilst keeping a nice secure grip on the handle. You've also got the option to set a preset application so that you can switch between the current mode you're in and the preset by pressing the quick mode switch button. On a full battery, you're going to work through around 400 pieces, and this machine can drive 120mm coarse thread screws. It delivers a max of 180 Nm of fastening torque, and it's got a really nice ring light to give you maximum visibility on the area that you're working on, and it can be used as a torch for up to 1 hour. So that is the DTD173 18V LXT impact driver. We're looking at the new Dua200 LXT 18V 200mm brushless pole saw from Makita. Let's look at the features. This machine features 3 segmented pole sections, and the tool can reach a maximum length of around 2,500mm, or it can be reduced to around 1,600mm to suit your application. The head of the machine also has 9 adjustable stages between 60 degrees upwards and 60 degrees downwards. This angle can be locked or unlocked with one simple touch. So on a full battery, you're looking at around 600 cuts through 50mm cedar timber. And you're also going to get a toolless bar change and toolless tension adjustment of your chain. And it's also got an electric brake for added safety too. So that was the Dua200 18V LXT 200mm brushless pole saw from Makita. We're looking at the new TW1180Z and the TW1180Z 40V max XGT impact wrenches from Makita. Let's dive into the features. These machines feature the auto stop system, available in both forward and reverse rotation modes. The same 4-stage of impact power adjustment that you can choose from, giving you the option to customize the setting for the material that you're working on. You've also got 2 LED job lights, one at the base of the machine just above the battery housing and one just above the trigger to give you that extra bit of lighting when you're working. Looking at some spec, you're going to get 2,200 Newton meters of nut busting torque on the TW1180G and 1,600 Newton meters on the TW1180Z. Both machines are suitable for standard bolts ranging from M12s up to M36 and high strength bolts from M10 up to M27. So there we are, that is the TW1180G and the TW1180Z, 2 more of our new 40V max XGT impact wrenches from Makita. We're looking at the new TW010G and the TW009G 40V max XGT impact wrenches from Makita. So let's dive into the features. These 2 new machines are coming straight in at the very top of our range, so you're going to get maximum performance. The main difference between the 2 machines is the anvil length. The TW009G has a shorter anvil, recommended for fixing steel building frames. The TW010G has a longer anvil, recommended for removing large wheels on heavy machinery. You've got an auto stop system that's available in both forward and reverse rotation modes. 4 stages of impact power to choose from, giving you the option to customize the setting for the material that you're working on. The handle features toolless installation as well, so this can be installed 360 degrees around the machine without needing a tool. As one final cool feature, you've also got an LED ring light around the socket, giving you a much better view of the workpiece. This can also be used as a torch for up to an hour. Looking at some spec, you're going to get 4,000 Newton meters of nut busting torque and a max fastening torque of 3,150 Newton meters. That's massive. It's suitable for standard bolts ranging from M27 up to M45 and high strength bolts from M20 to M33. So that was the TW009G and the TW010G, and new top of the range 40V max XGT impact wrenches from Makita.